Well, hello guys, how are you? Today I will show you how to make an Instagram account with email address on an Android. So, enjoy the video. First thing you need to do is make sure you have installed the Instagram on the Google Play Store. After that, open the app and click sign up button at the bottom of your phone. And then press email address and type your email. After that, check your email for the confirmation code. After you check your email, type your confirmation code and press next. Then type your username and password that you want to use and press continue button. And congratulations, you already have an Instagram account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this tutorial is helping you, and goodbye.